Want to change the language used for voice input in ChatGPT? Here's how to set the voice input language on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap the menu icon to open sidebar. Tap your profile name to open settings. From the settings menu, scroll down and select voice. Inside this section, tap input language. You will see a list of available language for voice input. Select the language you want to use when speaking to ChatGPT. Example, after selecting it, ChatGPT will use that language to recognize your voice. You can return to this menu anytime if you want to change the voice input language. And that's how to change the voice input language in ChatGPT on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.